Welcome. In front of me is a KRUGER MATZ Flow 6, and today I will show you how to access the factory mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume down. So power, volume down. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you will use volume down to navigate. And volume up doesn't do actually anything. And power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can run auto test or manual test, test items, test reports, debug test, clear MMC, that's just a hard reset, version information, and reboot. Now I'm gonna stick with the reboot option as an example, and to confirm it I'm gonna press the power key, and you'll see that the device is now rebooting and it's gonna turn back on into the normal Android system. And you can see that we're now back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the factory mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.